Ever wonder what really goes into the cost of hiring a junk removal service? It's so much more than just hauling stuff away. Let's break down where your money actually goes, because when you hire a professional, you're investing in safety, expertise, and your own peace of mind. First up, labor. This is usually the biggest expense. You're not just getting one person, you're getting a trained, insured crew of at least 2 people. They know how to safely move heavy, awkward items without damaging your home or getting hurt. They work efficiently to get the job done fast. Next is the equipment. We're talking dump trailers, utility trailers, dollies, power tools, and all the necessary safety gear, not to mention fuel. This equipment costs thousands of dollars to purchase and maintain, but it's essential for handling any job, big or small. Then there are the disposal fees. We can't just dump everything in a landfill. Responsible disposal means we have to pay fees at different facilities. We sort everything meticulously. Metals get recycled. E-waste goes to specialized processors. Yard waste is chipped. General debris heads to a transfer recycling center. And only true, non-recyclable waste goes to the landfill. We also have donation partnerships with amazing organizations like Resupply, Goodwill, and Habitat for Humanity. It takes time and coordination to make sure your usable items find a new home instead of being trashed, but it's a core part of our mission. A huge factor is insurance and liability. We carry over $1 million in coverage. Contractor general liability insurance covers bodily injury or third-party property damage arising from your premises. There's operations, products, completed operations, advertising, and personal injury liability. If you try to DIY it, that risk falls entirely on you. Finally, there's general business overhead. This includes vehicle maintenance, ongoing training for our crew, licensing, and all the other costs of running a legitimate professional business. It all adds up. So when you see a price quote, remember it reflects all these moving parts. The volume of junk, how easy it is to access, and the type of debris all influence the final cost. You might think doing it yourself is cheaper, but when you factor in renting a truck, paying dump fees, and the 40-plus hours of your own time, not to mention the risk of injury, hiring a pro is often the same price or even better value. Ultimately, when you hire a service like ours, you're paying for a professional crew, safe and eco-friendly disposal, and most importantly, you get your valuable time back with zero stress. And that, right there, is worth every penny. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insider tips. See you next time.